I've done all the easy stuff. I just have to power through fixing this junk. This is gonna suck. All right, well, here we go. You can tell I need tests for my jobs, as most of them have failed. Cool, I think this is it. Cytek Enterprise contains rate limiting. That's unfortunate. Is it only an Enterprise? I don't have that kind of money. Yeah, only Enterprise. I can't. I don't want to spend $2,000 on this. I mean, I could, but I don't expect to make any money on this anytime soon. I thought I saw a. I mean, I really like this guy. I don't want to support him, but that's just too expensive for what I'm doing. Once I'm making money, I'll absolutely pay that, but I just can't right now. All right. Oh, that's cool. Easy enough. All right. When was this last updated? February. Cool. Configuration. Man, that is easy. Cool. Okay. Well, let's add this. I need to Spotify API rate limit. Oh, you can mask it. That's cool. That would save some time. Oh, I don't have the IDs though. Yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work. It doesn't. I wish it just gave me like, this is the amount, and I can just configure it. I'll just one real quick. Spotify. I don't know why I'm doing Spotify first. Well, iTunes is for sure not gonna have documentation. I'll do Spotify first. I always use Plans as my test album because it's short and it's fantastic. All right. See, this is ridiculous. I searched the API for death space cab space 4 space cutie space plans. Limit 1. So hacky. Yep. Rate limit. Give me some information. And there's no headers for it. Fantastic. So I'll just guess. Awesome. This will be fun. All right. So now we need to do this configuration. Okay. By default, uses the name. Sure. Don't care. You can include name parameter. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, let's do that. Find Spotify. Q is going to be default. That's my application job. Default. Great. Name is Spotify. All Spotify is probably fine. Limit is 30. I'll start with 30. I can always bump it up. Period. 1 hour. That still works in Rails, right? I'm fairly certain. 2i. Yeah, great. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. So that works. Let's write some tests for this. Test. I haven't used VCR in a while, but I'm a big fan. Cool, cool, cool. Yep. Need that. Do you hear this water? It's ridiculous. All right. This is becoming a junk drawer, but I'm okay with it. Oh, I think I need webmock in my gem file too. Gosh, what am I doing? I'm gonna rename this to fetch because the rest are named fetch. Even though it's not really fetching it per se. Fetch implies it knows where it is, and this is like fine because we're searching for it. I'm okay with it though. Comment this back in now that we're gonna hopefully fix it. Okay, require test helper class fetch Spotify ID job test. Not sure yet what that'll be, and then I was gonna paste some stuff. I need to fix those other ones. Def test show home page. Great. Less magic. All right. So test helper. This, I believe, is what I want. And I don't care about any of that, actually. Cool. Cool. All right. So test success. This is going to be artist. What am I doing? Name. Plans. Artist. Put less inside the block. That's probably better. Okay. And this is going to be, yep, some stuff. What was that? Do I still have that in my history? I don't. Frustrating. Here? There we go. Plans. Is this the right one? Plans by, we'll just open it. Oh, this works too. .631 height. Come on, Spotify. Ridiculous. Great, it's the right one. That's the album art. Okay, that's the ID. Assert equal. I give this very low odds of passing. It might work. I think it'll work. Didn't work. Cool. Helps if I spell artist correctly. Psychic options. No, I didn't mean that. How does this work? I did include it. Oh, I bet I have to include this in my job. Maybe? I don't know. Gosh. Nope. You cannot include an active job. Yeah, I didn't think I needed to. Okay, so Sidekick's definitely here. Huh. Rails. Nope. Huh. Yep. Okay. This Rails. I'm losing my voice. That's not good. That's not good. People with the same issue. That's not good either. Maybe I should find a different one. This is a long discussion. Pull request welcome. Well, that sucks. Time to find something better. Okay. Not that one. Sidekick Throttler. Try that one. Supports. Yep, tested. Okay, when's the last commit? March. Not bad. Okay, gotta do that. No big deal. Okay, no big deal. Yeah, not bad. Okay. Defaults to in memory, but you want to do Redis. I sure do. Otherwise, that would defeat the purpose. Config. I need to add the gem. And I need to do this. 54 hours sounds reasonable enough. Okay. Crap. I didn't mean delay until. I meant this. Why does it not work? Maybe I don't. Maybe I shouldn't use active job. Totally guessing. Also, I have no idea what active job does for me. Perform later. Okay. That's frustrating. Nope. Where's the thing? This. Getting started. Perform. Really? Can we not all just get along here? Frustrating. Says it on the homepage. Good job reading. I lose patience for that question. I had so many people ask. It's like it says it. Frustrating. Anyway. Um, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, the test. Perform. Where's perform leader getting called? Why is it even complaining about that? Perform leader. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Test. Nope. Get rid of this junk. Okay. It's automatically running sidekick jobs in test, which I don't want. I actually don't think I'm going to use active job at all for anything. Why is this still happening? Ugh. Also, how much does that name kill you? Kills me a lot. Spotify. I'll do the same throttling for iTunes for now. I think iTunes has a much higher tolerance. I think I did a couple thousand before it yelled at me. Redis can't connect. Is that gross? A little gross. I'm right with it. Something wants Redis. Okay, fine. We'll use Redis. Yikes. I don't know what that was doing. Okay, so frustrating. so just I had all this code and then deleted it because I didn't think I needed it. But I do apparently. Redis options. Driver. Thanks, buddy. All right. You cannot include, yeah, okay. Making progress, I think. No more active job here. Yay! Oh, hey, the test passed. That's pretty cool. Great. Well, let's test the iTunes one. Fetch. This kills me so much. All right. Yep. Fetch iTunes ID. Fetch iTunes ID. And what is it? Should I do it with this? Collection ID is that. Great. Any rate limit information? I seriously doubt it. Nope. This kills me so much. Text JavaScript? Come on, Apple. Application JavaScript. Get it right. Even Safari doesn't recognize text JavaScript. Alright. Fetch iTunes. Hooray! Currently don't have any of that for artists, but I kind of don't care right now. Eventually I'll have an artist page or even a link to a track or any of that. But right now it's just albums because that's all I ever used in Rdio and that's all they had. So that's all I'm building. But it would be easy to expand this system for artists and tracks. I mean, I obviously capture what tracks you're listening to because that's how I find albums. But I don't even like bother to get a full track list of an album or anything like that. It's all very lo-fi at the moment. All right, I have some tests though. I feel good about that. The fetch history and the fetch friends are going to be slightly annoying. I'm just going to make all these Sidekick. I don't know the benefit of using active job. And I'm okay with that. Those don't get called from anywhere, which is sad. Yeah. So The problem with this is we call client.friends, which hits all of your pages of friends. So that could get rate limited just by this one method call, which is a bummer. I'll read about this, I guess. I don't know what that was. All right. Probably going to be done soon, at least for streaming. I may work some more. We'll see. Documentation. Great. Here we go. That's not very useful. Well, see, I think the rate limit is for the whole application, not for the one user. So, in theory, everything's blocked. Ugh, it sucks. I've got to come up with a better pattern for this. It's going to be the same for... I can use the same thing for Spotify. iTunes, I just have to guess because their API is terrible. And Last.fm, I don't know if they give me that information, but I'd assume it's terrible. Yikes. Okay. I need to put all of the... I'm tempted to put all Twitter and every service on its own queue. And then make the queue serial and just like pause the queue when my rate limit gets hit. Which I feel bad about making all those requests serially because there will be a lot of them. Pause sidekick queue. Is that a thing? It's pro. Poop. How much is the pro one again? It's kind of expensive, I think. It's not that expensive though. It's not $2,000. It's $1,000. You can pause a queue. That doesn't really delete. Maybe what I do. I could store all of this in some data store somewhere, and then have a job that runs on insert to that data store if one's not already running, which I don't know if I can actually see without the Pro API. And then if it fails, retry in a given time. But I'm not like queuing all of the jobs. I'm just queuing one to like check for new one to go hit Twitter. Gosh, this is annoying. Yeah, I need to sit down and do some research. Because that's going to be my biggest problem with all of this stuff is the rate limiting. Once I have that solved, then I can ingest everyone's data. Right now, like, I just kick off the jobs manually like you saw. And they all fail, most of them, for various reasons. So, I think I'm gonna go investigate all the jobs that have failed recently that aren't rate limit related, because there's definitely some, and then figure out how to deal with this, because this is a problem. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was fun. Maybe I'll do it again sometime. Stop.